Imagine if you could see the very beginning of life, before you were even born. It all starts with something so tiny, you'd need a super powerful microscope to see it. But what's crazy is, the Quran described every stage of human creation over 1,400 years ago. First, a tiny cell from the father joins a tiny cell from the mother, and it finds a safe place in the mother's womb. Then, it clings to the womb, like it's hanging on. Scientists call this stage the embryo, but the Quran calls it alaka, which means clinging, or even something that looks like a leech. And if you compare an embryo to a leech, they look almost the same. Then, the clinging embryo turns into a lump. And here's the mind-blowing part. In Arabic, mugab means something like a chewed substance. And if you look at an embryo at this stage, it actually looks like a chewed-up piece of gum. Then, bones form first, and then the flesh covers them. The Quran says, "Then we developed the lump into bones, then clothed the bones with flesh." But here's the shocking part. 1,400 years ago, no one could see inside a mother's womb. Scientists only discovered these stages in the 20th century with powerful microscopes. Dr. Keith Moore, a leading embryologist, was so amazed that he said, "This Quran must have come from God."